In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Mailchimp sign-up form in Blogger. Step by step, so you can start collecting subscribers directly from your blog. This is a simple and powerful way to grow your email list and turn visitors into long-term readers. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. Let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to Mailchimp. Sign in to your Mailchimp account using your email address and password. Once you're inside your account, look at the menu on the left side and click Forms. After that, select Other Forms. Mailchimp will now show you different form options. From here, choose Embedded Form, then click Create Embedded Form. This is the option you need because it gives you the code you can place directly into Blogger. Next, give your form a name so you can identify it easily later. Then click Continue to Builder. Now you're in the Form Builder where you can customize everything before adding it to your blog. Click Form Fields to manage the fields that appear on your sign-up form. You can choose fields like email address, first name, last name, address, phone number, birthday, or company. Turn on only the fields you actually want to collect, because keeping the form simple usually improves sign-ups. You can also drag and drop the fields to change the order and place them exactly where you want. If you want to edit a specific field, just click on it. From there, you can change the field label, add helpful text, or mark the field as required. For example, it is a good idea to make email address required, since that is the main piece of information you need for your mailing list. After that, go back to the main builder and click Settings. Here you can customize the form title, adjust the form width, remove Mailchimp's default CSS if needed, disable JavaScript if required, and show or hide extra options like format settings or the archive link. Take a few moments here to make the form match the style of your Blogger website. If you want to organize subscribers automatically, click Tags. You can select an existing tag or create a new one, and anyone who signs up through this form will be assigned that tag. This is really useful for future email campaigns and audience segmentation. If you want to fine-tune the look of the form even more, click Referral Badge. You can choose a light badge, a dark badge, or disable the referral badge completely, depending on what fits your site design best. Once everything looks good, click Continue to generate the embed code. Mailchimp will create the code for your sign-up form. Copy that code carefully, because you'll need it in Blogger. Now open blogger.com and log into your account. From the left-hand menu, click Layout. In the Layout section, click Add a Gadget. Then choose HTML from the list of gadgets. Give the gadget a title if you want one, then paste in the Mailchimp embed code you copied earlier. Click Save, and then place the gadget wherever you want it to appear on your blog. You can drag and drop it into your sidebar, footer, or any widget area that suits your layout. Once it is in place, save your Blogger layout and preview your site to make sure the sign-up form is showing correctly. And that's it. You've now added a Mailchimp sign-up form to Blogger and made it easy for visitors to join your mailing list. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.